So today we're going to be doing the O2 sensor. Doesn't seem too complicated, which is great. So you just unplug this part. I feel like it's going to be hard just because it's dirty under here. Just because it hasn't been unplugged in forever. Yeah, pretty much. Try to unplug it without breaking it too. So I kind of use this to help me, if it focuses, to kind of pry it out. So you can see, I don't know if it's focusing, but I like clipped it in the side over here, then just hit the button kind of slowly, pushed it down so it doesn't break it. But I got that done. Now to do this part, which you need a special tool, I guess. Which I do have. I put on gloves just because with one of these bad boys. I guess you can do it with the regular one, but without the cutout. But I heard it's really hard. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm not using the mic. It doesn't say, I don't know what size it is, but it should fit in here. I wonder if you guys can, I don't know if you guys can't see that. Let me zoom out. There we go. I should move the camera a little bit. Ooh, damn. Put it in between. It should be alright. Fits like a glove. I should put it the other way. I'm gonna try to use breaker bar just because I don't want to play with this. I just want to get it out. Let me see what angle am I. Perfect. This should come out fairly easy. Should. Hopefully it doesn't break. Ooh. That was pretty easy. So that wasn't really too crazy tight. I think this I have. Where am I going? Yeah, perfect. So it's not too bad. So if you're having this, well, my symptoms are like, I smell richness. It smells real rich. I don't know if it's this one or the bottom one, but I bought both of them just in case. Just to be safe, because you never know. Alright. Do you guys want to go down there and see how it looks? Let me see, get you guys off here. So you guys see better than I am right now. I wonder if I can go lower. Make you guys fit in that hole. Is that a better angle? That's what it looks in there. Take you guys out. Hopefully this really fixes my problem. Look at that. Ooh, that's super. It's nice. See how the wire looks. I don't know. Hopefully it fixes it though. But I smell richness. Then like when if I pass, let's just say above, let's just say 4K or something, just shifting, like it blows smoke out of my exhaust. Like a shit ton of smoke. Not like head gasket smoke, but like kind of does a cloud. It vapes. And it kind of vapes. Yep. But once you kind of don't like hit the gas too much, whatever, it's fine. You can drive the car. But yeah, let's see if I bought 2 off eBay, because I'm pretty sure they'd be the cheapest. I think I bought, for both of these were like $40, $39.99. But let's see what we got. So I got this from eBay, like I just said. But you get 2 of them, but they look different. I'm guessing one goes for each side. Whatever, this one looks like this. Guys, looks like that, and the other one looks like that. They both look different, right? That one has holes, and this one has like lines. But I was just gonna assume whatever I take out and it looks like, I'll put it in. So this one actually looks like this one. So we'll put this one in, pop it in. I might switch the bottom one. I'm not sure. That might be a separate video. It might be the same. Who knows? Let's pop it in and see what it does. Alright, so I finally got it on. It wasn't a struggle. It was pretty easy. Just put it in there, tight in there. Didn't go too crazy on it. Just snug in there. Hooked it up, and it's all good. So hopefully that fixes my problem. And I can rev pass, whatever. Can hit the limiter and be good without smoking. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and enjoy. Thank you. So the last clip you saw, my camera died, and I had to record from my phone. My phone's like weird about it, so that's why it's slanted. But I forgot to mention, the way you can tell, at the time I didn't know, but the way you can tell which O2 sensors for the top and the bottom, the top one was shorter and my bottom one was longer. That's how you can tell. Alright guys.